Did you know your hiccups are actually your body trying to breathe like a fish? Sarah had been hiccuping for 3 hours straight. Nothing would stop them. Each hiccup was her phrenic nerve firing randomly, causing her diaphragm to spasm. But here's the shocking part. This reflex serves absolutely no purpose in humans. Scientists discovered hiccups are leftover breathing patterns from 370 million years ago, back when our ancestors had both gills and primitive lungs. Every hiccup replicates the exact muscle sequence that fish use to pump water over their gills. Human babies hiccup in the womb more than they breathe, practicing this ancient reflex. Your body is accidentally running fish software, a 370 million-year-old glitch in your nervous system.